So full time here at Aberystwyth, it's Aberystwyth 4, Bala 0. I'm here with Joe Phillips. Joe, you must be delighted to get your first goal for the club.
Yeah, it's a fantastic feeling. The most important thing I think is the fact that we've got another good performance and we're into the next round of the cup. But personally, yeah, very happy with it. It's been a long time coming.
And you haven't missed a chance just before that, so you must have been. How were you feeling before you struck that ball? Sorry to mention.
I was hoping no one would say that. It was one of them. It come down. I just did take it well, and it was a bit frustrating because it was one of the better opportunities I've had all season to get my first goal for the club. But I just kept going, kept believing, and eventually it came.
And after that, you could see the confidence flowing through you. A great assist for the fourth goal as well.
Yeah, I've been getting a bit of stick in the change rooms for it though. People saying I should have gone my own, but it came good and we got another goal for it, so job's a good one.
Talking about the squad there, you must be brimming with confidence. Performances are picking up all the time. Must be a great atmosphere to be around at the moment.
Yeah, well, at the start of the season it was a bit tough. I mean, it was a big group of new players, new manager, new backroom staff, all that. So it took a while to gel. You could see that with the first few performances. Then we went through a bit of a good spell where you could see it coming together. Then we had a couple of off games, which we could have still got some results from. But then the last few weeks, especially against these today and then last week, were two brilliant performances. So it looks like it's all coming together. Hopefully I won't jinx it.
And there's no let off now. Hard game again next week, but full of confidence, ready for that.
Yeah, we just want to take it to them. We're not going to change the way we play, hopefully. So just hoping for another 3 points, we can push up the league.
Joe, many congratulations on your goal today and hopes for first amendment.
Thank you.